If you run a Shopify store, you already know what eats your time. And no, it's not strategy. It's the endless small things you handle everything. Checking what's out of stock, updating tracking numbers, dealing with refunds, returns, and customer messages. But what most people don't realize is that Shopify already has hundreds of ready-made automations inside the Flow app to help you manage all of these tasks. They are plug-and-play flows. You don't need to do any coding. You don't even need to start from scratch. They are already there. You just need to use them. So today, I'm going to walk you through 10 Shopify Flow automations that actually make difference. The ones that save you hours, reduce mistakes, and make your store feel like it runs itself. And let's start with the one that causes the most chaos. One of the biggest challenges merchants mention is realizing too late that a bestseller is sold out. Well, Shopify Flow can help you prevent this. You can activate an automation within Shopify Flows, so when a product's inventory drops below a certain number, it sends your team an alert. It also can tag the product with a tag called low stock and even hides it when it sells out. And in this way, you can stay ahead of stock issues instead of reacting to them. This is one of the first flows that I highly recommend to activate. It will make your work way easier. Once you fix your inventory alerts, the next issue is how sold out products clutter your storefront, especially if you have a lot of products and if you have a large catalog. And you can hide this using a Shopify flow that hides out of stock products. Customers get frustrated when they browse products that look available but aren't. So instead of manually hiding sold out items, Flow can do this for you. There is a template that automatically unpublishes products when inventory hits zero and republishes them as soon as they are restocked. In this way, you can keep your storefront clear and saves your team from chasing product updates manually. So with these first two flows, you get your inventory sorted. But even with inventory sorted, there is another area that drains time and attention, and it is fraud. Fraud is one of the easiest ways to lose money quietly. Most store owners still check every suspicious order manually, but you don't actually need to do that because Flow can automatically scan new orders for risk levels. You just need to activate the right flow. If it's safe, the payment is captured automatically. But if it's high risk, it pauses fulfillment, sends your team an alert, and cancels the order entirely. And in this way, you protect yourself and your store and your margins from fraud without babysitting every transaction. Now, let's talk about identifying the customers worth investing in. And in here, there is a flow that allows you to segment customers by lifetime spend. So instead of manually tagging repeat buyers, Flow can do it for you. This template tags customers based on their total lifetime spend and automatically upgrading them from VIP to Gold or repeat buyers. It updates after every single order, so your loyalty campaigns and rewards programs always stay in sync. And while Flow helps you recognize loyal customers, it can also alert you when customers become too familiar with your refund form. Returns are normal and they are part of any business, but repeat refunds can become a problem. Flow can automatically tag customers who exceed a refund limit or created multiple return requests within a certain time frame. It can also alert your support team when refund amounts go over a threshold. This way, you will instantly know who your high return customers are, and you can review their orders before approving new ones. All you need to do is to activate this template within Flow. Now that your refund process is under control, let's get back to saving time on operations. And I'm specifically talking about a template that allows you to merge orders from the same customer. Well, yeah, I know. This is one of the most requested automations on Shopify forums. So when a customer places 2 orders in one day, your team ships them separately, most probably. Flow can check for open orders from the same email or shipping address within 24 hours. And if it finds duplicates, it tags them as combined shipping and notifies fulfillment. It's very simple but very efficient, and it saves both time and packaging costs. And while fulfillment runs smoother, Flow can also make sure your customer communication does too. And this is by using WhatsApp automations for customer engagement. Well, yes, this is one of the newest and most practical additions to Shopify Flow. And personally, I was waiting for it. You can now trigger messages automatically through apps like Chat on Desk or Webflow, using pre-built templates such as sending a thank you message when a customer places multiple orders, or requesting product feedback a few days after delivery, or reminding them to reorder after a set number of days. All of this runs automatically once you activate this template. And WhatsApp marketing is super important and widely underused. So I highly recommend you to check this template and use this communication type. Using this template, you will keep your customers engaged while your team focuses on other tasks. WhatsApp messages feel more personal, and most probably your customers are going to react with them in a different way than they react with emails or SMSs. In so many markets, WhatsApp is super important, and using WhatsApp marketing is a must. Now, next, Flow can help you with something super important, and it is to handle your daily reports and store summaries for you. Instead of opening 10 tabs every morning to see what's happening in your store, Flow can send you a complete daily summary automatically. You can choose templates like a list of all out-of-stock products, or unfulfilled orders older than 2 days, or fulfillment orders currently on hold, and so on. These workflows use Shopify's built-in schedule and data tools, so you get an email with everything that needs your attention before your first coffee. And while you're managing your day more efficiently and hopefully enjoying your coffee better, Flow can also help you turn interest into actual sales. There is a built-in template in Shopify Flow that automatically emails a customer when a wishlist item goes on sale. It's simple but super effective. You're reaching customers who already wanted the product exactly when the price changes in their favor. It's an automation that keeps sales coming in even when you're not running ads. Now, the last automation I want to talk about is one that helps you stay organized behind the scenes, especially if you are adding new products all the time. Because if you're constantly adding or importing new products, keeping everything organized manually can take forever. Shopify Flow has templates that automatically tag and organize new products the moment they are added to the store. You can set it up to look at things like product title, SKU, color, or vendor, then automatically assign tags such as new arrival, men's collection, or even blue variant. This can help you to keep your collections, filters, and merchandise perfectly structured without anyone spending hours cleaning up product data. It's one of these small automations that quietly keep your store looking professional and consistent. So that's it. These are the 10 flows I highly recommend you to start with. Shopify Flow isn't just about saving time, it's about running smarter. And you don't need extra apps or developers. Everything you saw here is already available as templates. Simply start with one of these 10, and I guarantee you are going to see the difference in how your store runs within less than a week. And if you want me to show you how you can exactly set up one from scratch, let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for this video. If you want to know more about how to improve your Shopify store, maybe how to update your product pages, I highly recommend you to check this video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I show you step by step how you can improve your product pages. So happy learning and see you there.